City Magistrate Court has adjourned until June 17th for a continuation of hearing in the alleged 626 million naira fraud case involving former national chairman of the Shehu Gabam. Chief Magistrate Amuche Oyedum adjourned the matter on Monday after ruling that documents presented by the prosecution were admissible as evidence. The court dismissed objections raised by counsel to the defendant and held that the document complied with provisions of the Evidence Act.
Speaking with journalists after the proceedings in Abuja, SDP National Chairman Professor Abubakar Gombe said the party presented bank statements, disciplinary committee reports, letters of invitation, and other financial documents linked to the allegations against Gabam. Gombe alleged that some of the documents were connected to companies used in transactions involving party funds during Gabam's tenure as chairman.
Why we are here is not about party leadership, it's not about any internal affairs of party. It's about criminality that was perpetuated against the constitution of the party and the law, and also against the finances of the party, that we came for that criminal investing into the prosecution into the matter. That is why we are here, not on any party leadership. But nonetheless, since the judge in her own magnanimity, which we respect her much, he said if there is room for any reconciliation outside the court and so on, quoting the Bible and the Quran, we are happy with disposition in respect of that. But you cannot go into somebody to reconcile with somebody who is not ready for, who will come to court after a week, will go and embed a place and cut away documents of the offices as an institution, because you have relationship with, I can understand. Today, I was taken as a witness. We tendered relevant documents, among which are the report of the disciplinary committee that tried the accused, and after that also it involved the letter of suspension, the letter of invitation that was sent to the accused in respect of the investigation which they refused to honor. Then also we tendered documents in respect of the company that they siphoned and laundered party money.
He said the defendant was granted bail in the sum of 3 million naira with conditions including the submission of his international passport and 2 sureties with landed property in Abuja. Gabam was arraigned on May 12th over alleged misappropriation of party funds between 2022 and 2023. Gombe also maintained that the party followed due process in suspending and expelling Gabam over allegations of financial misconduct and constitutional breaches. The case resumes on June 17th.